Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Twitter account. So it's pretty simple. So before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. And yeah, without any further ado, let's start the video and watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do this. So yeah, let's start with the steps. First thing first, you need to log into a Twitter account, and once you log into a Twitter account, you can click on this button over here. Once you click on this button, scroll down until you see setting and privacy. Once you see setting and privacy, click on setting and privacy. Once you're over here, you can click on where it says account. Once you're in your account, you want to scroll down until you see deactivate your account. Now, we are going to be deleting your account, but you need to go through this process. So once you click on deactivate your account, you can read what it says over here. You can restore your Twitter account if it is accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days or after deactivation. So basically what it's trying to say is, if you log into your account after it deactivated, within 30 days you will recover your account again. But if you do not log into a Twitter account again within 30 days after deactivating it, your account will be deleted. So our aim here to delete our account is we're going to first deactivate our account for 30 days. And once we don't log into a Twitter account again, it'll be automatically deleted after 30 days. So the 30 days time period is for those people who regret deleting their Twitter account. So after logging into their Twitter account again, they can reactivate their account again and it won't be deleted. But if you're sure you don't want to reactivate your Twitter account again, then basically just leave your Twitter account for 30 days and then it will be deleted. Once you come in this page, you can click on this deactivate button and then your account will be deactivated, and after 30 days it will be deleted. So that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.